와우. 그리고 저거 뭐 3D 스플릿은 찍으셨지?
Bendy and the Dark Revival.
샤, 뭐야? 삭진 나가요. 너무 대문.
We're always free to choose. To believe what we want to believe. But when you step back, when you really look at where you've been and the things you've done, your past will come to devour you. There you go, little guy.
And only 800 more frames to go. No way I'm getting through tonight without some coffee. Probably some downstairs.
와우. 똑같아 좀.
Time for a little adventure.
도넛. Liệt cho sụp hoặc thì rất buồn lỗi sống ba spaghetti nhớ nấu 자, 스필리아 삭진양 나가니 미시 슈퍼슈간니 마리아 오늘 두사니오리까 또 오늘은 뭐 영화 오나? 미시 용사 빠빠라빠빠빠빠 빠빠빠빠빠 Nothing good good good
Really? They locked me in? Good thing I brought my own key today.
오지 못하만 사무실에서 사강이랑아
Who put this here?
이거는 답 이리 이리
Whew. Here's the key.
I know goodbye 이리
Not the most welcoming hallway I've ever seen.
spille kavitie tapassewa Hanno Arsina
Hello? Is someone there?
Noringera Noringera Sittorangera Samstunni Tasinguartunni Rekkartingassalagisimi rekkartinnarsinnappu Noringera ba 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 da ba 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 da da. Takayın onu koda. Ne? A주 잘. 한번 그죠? Jagosh.
Wilson? You scared me to death.
I'm sorry, my dear. Didn't mean to frighten you. You're working late tonight. A pretty girl like you shouldn't be wandering around all by yourself. Mind if I step in?
Of course not.
Thank you. Audrey, you look like you could use a little company.
So, it's been really nice this past week.
Just beautiful. Gorgeous.
What was that? Please tell me we're not trapped in here.
Don't you worry, my dear. It's just a little short in the system. Happening a lot these past few days. No need to fret. Let's see what we can find. Come along now. Old Wilson will protect you.
Ah, why don't you? Adios. Unaktas nan do. Yak po ngok. Takang.
There we are. Just a few more switches to throw. Follow me. It will be perfectly safe.
Asa no ni yo. Kanok. Tesen ilumia sa sok surisok. Ako tapakluan na ni tawa. Yung sinaksan niya ngaksang niya raksyon ni umay kiyong niya ka ngaksak niya sarum. Naman yung patluan na. Say, nakakatiyo. Dipilak sa'yo, chilak. Ito siya. Imin. Good. Tama.
Looks like someone's been messing with the exhibits. There should be something on each of these pedestals. Audrey, sweet Audrey. Do an old man a favor and go find them. I'll tend to the power.
This is... No, I should say something because now. One down. Yo. Inti min sakong niya ah. Diri. Alloy. Book. 테디베아 할라데스. Ya, vamos aqui nessa sua. Aí, né? Câu nặc về đó, bạn chứ. Coba kan. Maskina. Uribina. Nipidak sok dun. Yakut. Ini osak tu. Lebih dulu. What's up, dude? I'm back.
Only one thing left to do. Pull that switch.
Okay.
It is done.
Wilson?
Oh, Audrey. The things you've set in motion.
What's happening?
The ink is calling us, my dear. Can't you hear it?
What?
Shh. Don't fret. We're going home.
Stay back.
Listen to me, Audrey. Pay attention to these last words. Because very soon, you will forget everything.
Let go!
Come find me, Audrey. Come find me, and I'll show you your purpose. I'll show you the truth.
This can't be real.
And now, we die.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Oh ma. Tama to karupi. Welcome to game. Continue game. Please.
What's wrong with my hands? What's wrong with my hands? Oh, Audrey. What's happened to you?
Yeah, I'm back.
Every great story begins in mystery. Although things may be dark at the start, the truth will illuminate your way. Don't be afraid of who you are. Fear only Ijit you may become, and banish it away. Your best pal.
Ngon đó. Animation naka-room. Owish. Yung nagkat. Saan siya masasakin? Anong gitok-suso sa untag ko siya? Yeah. Okay. 천이 지금 시작은 으쌰. 아, chúa cái nục quá. Rêu sao rồi?
Geez, you'd think I was drowning kittens. The UJAY, these people are looking at me. I've never seen such disappointment in a person's eyes. But this is the U.J of things. If management can't pay their bills, then the bank takes the goodies back. Still, it does break me a bit knowing how much I loved them old cartoons this place used to make. Oh well, times change. Life moves on. Telly-eye jester.
Yoksa kaktusasimasing aluwak pa si. Easy boss. Kami ko yun nakaroon toknos ng araw. Hadn't changed. Wow. Kontrolli adopsina, 뭐?
Children of the machine. This is Wilson, your friend, your protector. For 211 days, you've lived without the ink demon haunting your steps. I banished him away, tore his body in two. In return, I asked just a little favor. Among you, there is a stranger, a young lady. Bring her to me.
Okay.
Joey, Jack and I have been wondering if you could meet with us considering the current situation. IJE have been with you for many years and we feel we have contributed to the success of Bendy in the past. Our interest is purely in keeping this company strong. IJE just want to help however UJE can. Let's talk. Sammy Lawrence.
Kontrolli kaksen ja jonna voi reisingin jankna nipatangin naunga roksoni. Apalapapa matusha.
The ink drips. Darkness has spread through this studio. The reaching shadows creep around you. Something hunkers for your corrupt-fed flesh. It is close. So verse close. It SF rains to crab you. Choke you from behind. You will feel its brief H upon your neck. It is close.
Studio. Lost. Okay, every time. 현 지금 저 시작. Ik ben dat zo tot zo, zin nou nacht. Ja, ik word doen.
I just received the call. Joey Drew is dead. What a quiet end to an extraordinary life. I heard he was staying in some cramped apartment downtown. You practically hear the rats through the telephone when he called me last April. In spite of that, old Joey sounded quite happy when last we spoke. More like the excited, hopeful young man I knew once upon a time. Well, farewell, my friend. What will become of your creations now?
Nakatingussallugu animationneqassas aluaqassoo kisiannisinginnaqqaaginnarpaa animationni what antingussarangitakkanani tamakkerpuun Pabitan. Oops. Not drunk. Takit ka fishing nga. Pa 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 barata tara. Pili tama ba yung nang ni kong nako. Tawa. Napisok ang daan si Wako. Ito kong ginaron. Yung video makisimin out. Spooky siya. I'm back! Battery. Ooh, masih bikin besar.
As the winds are chonging around here, I'm asking myself, Sean, what are you doing? There's a whole world out there. Places to see. A family to spend me days with. This here job is just a job. I'll have others like it. No worry there. But the important thing is, we should remember to live. I think it's time I did just that. Sean Flynn.
Ilamadawa das yorsang may isikukak si maso. Isikko at ako ni kong nga ka. Tasuma siya sinutap. Tama? Masak ko inutang isa at ako sinaw. Aru. Sa ito ka rin isikko aso. Tama, giras. Arish. Danging ang man. Daksya sa kang reaksyon ni. Welcome time. Animation. Yep. Nakatak tayo. Tungkoyak mo ka! 나중이가 야강아 막소리야. Đang ổn á.
I wouldn't drink too much of that if I were you. It helps patch you up. But the aftertaste, it's not so good. Easy now, I'm not gonna hurt you. It looked like you needed some help.
Don't touch me. What are you? Ugh, what is this horrible place?
Yeah, I remember my first day down here. I know, it's scary. But you're actually pretty lucky. The machine could have turned you into a searcher.
You mean that thing that attacked me?
No, that's a Piper. And he's part of a gang, so be careful.
I don't understand any of this. I can't think. It hurts.
You'll catch on pretty quickly, if you can stay alive. Lesson 1. Searchers don't have legs and they tend to swarm. Look, it's not good to stay in one place for too long around here. Keep moving, and stay close to the shadows. Take my advice. Head to the upper levels. It's safer there.
Can I come with you?
You can't. I'm sorry. I have a wolf. He doesn't care for strangers.
A wolf?
Like I said, you'll catch on. Good luck. I hope we meet again. Oh, and one more thing. Above everything else, stay away from the ink demon.
What's an ink demon?
Oh, you'll know him when you see him. He likes to smile, and he kills anything that moves.
Wait! What's your name?
They call me Alice. I'm not very fond of it.
I'm Audrey.
Well, Audrey, welcome to the studio.
Ooh. Ah. Come on. Here we go again. Jump scare.
Around here, it's just best to stay out of sight. Don't ever go running into some place if you don't know what's in there. If you attack a problem head on, you're going to find yourself in trouble. And that's just foolish. You gotta watch, listen, and when the time is right, push forward. Your best pal.
아직도 아빠빠빠빠빠빠 아주 생그렇지. 아빠 나야. Amma fish. Tay nga ko just study no nga ngak thì nó anh sẽ mấy dùng tóc thì nó Hello fish. Muối rồi. Một cặp fish đã chưa nói gì mà. Sama jangan fish ang ngirang awang at nga sa mut. Isa na. Dami.
Double quota, that Mr. Flynn says. Double. I haven't even pulled a full day's work in that old toy assembly line in some 4 years. I don't intend on starting now. I got my corner, my little sipping canteen, and I do just fine. Double
quota. I ain't even done half in months. Oh, but they won't fire me, no sir. Place this big, no one knows what everyone else is doing. So I'll turn up my radio, and put up my feet, cut the holes in my socks. 5 o'clock comes easy around here. Buddy.
Funny. Anak kayo di mga ano. Ayun, naspilya. Saktif dia. Kira? Smiley fish. One, two, three. Tokok video. Tokok isak ko yung sa naro. Tokok video.
Yeah, so those Gen Corporation boys are kind of strange. Every time I come back to work, they put in even more of their pointless gadgets. Last week, they built some kind of, I don't know, electrical towers over near Animation Alley. This week, they added security codes for opening doors. Jeez, what kind of work do they think we do here anyways? Last I checked, we make toys and silly cartoons. This ain't Fort Knox, you know what I mean? Now, it's my job to look over these shipping invoices and remember a bunch of random numbers? Yeah, no freaking thank you! I'm just gonna record the door code here so I don't forget it. Alright. The code is 451. 451. And if Mr. Drew or Mr. Gray asks, you didn't hear it from me, okay?
What's up, McCoy? Pajawa. Ah. 4 5 1. Mode because yep. Va. Api, nu taxi sedang masuk. Okay. No. Scary. Animation. Mga udami tama siya konot yo. Apa tu si matuping? Isi kosong nila. Here we go again. Sisa ni badang sakit na kaya ka. Know it. Nunarannertulisillanga taamaattoq sanniinaa nan toqngineruara Sun Vision Captain E and Chrome是啊，那他妈就是啥，我没想过。양라오는 지금 시작하죠? 보이시. 스필리를 가지고 약속하고요. 네, 뭐. Sometimes, da-da-da-da. Push the part. Nope. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Narożna nog zo. Wat zin nou hoor? Yo, nou dat daar de pause van is naast nog is in nacht toch maar system spijt. Dus je moet de kus. Bye.